Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm a second shift assembler here at Jergens. A typical day here at Jergens, I clock in, I get ready to go over to the laser machine. We look at the start dates to make sure that I'm doing the earliest days to get them out of the door, and I just get ready to start lasering the pieces. What I enjoy most about working at Jergens is I know that I'm doing something very important for not just Jergens, but for the world. I am lasering the information on the quick lock pins, which will give the customer the information that they need so they know that their order is correct. The part of the work that I'm most proud of here at Jergens is knowing that I'm making an impact, not just within this company, but with everybody else that buys our quick lock pins. And hopefully that they are very satisfied with the way that I laser them. What makes Jergens unique is how easily they are able to adapt to anything that comes out that needs to be done for the world. What's something special about the team that I work with is on second and third shift, we're a very small community and we're all really nice to each other. There's nobody on my shift that I'm just like afraid to talk to. And so I'm just able to ask them any question that I need. They're able to help and vice versa. My cross-training potential here at Jergens, I started building my first week. And then after that, I went over to crimping and I did that for a week. And then on my third week of starting here, I went over to the laser machine and I've been over there ever since. I've learned other stuff as well. I've learned how to, put the rings on after I do laser them and everything. So I'm pretty much learning everything that KLP has to offer. And so there's a whole bunch of room to cross train and grow. I'm proud to be a part of something here that is important.